Hi traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the color RSI with alert indicator for MT4. Alright, so you're going to find the link to download the indicator in the description. After downloading the indicator, just head over to your data folder, go to MQL4, go to indicators, and then paste the indicator file. Remember that you have to extract the compressed folder, right? You have to extract it, decompress it rather, and then you have to pick out the indicator file, the EX4 file or MQL4 file as the case may be. Pick it out and then paste it in here and head back to your navigator. Just simply refresh. After doing that, you can look for your color RSI with alert indicator, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. These are the customizable settings. The RSI period default 14, price type default 5. We have the time frame, current time frame, overbought level is at 70, oversold is at 30, and then you can choose whether you want the arrows to be shown, alerts on or off, message, sound, email, and all of that, right? So this is how the indicator looks like. It's the RSI indicator, okay? The RSI indicator, but it uses colors, right? So you will notice that when the indicator has gotten to overbought territory, you will notice that the color will change to red, right? And then, when you have the price, or rather the indicator, change back to gray from the overbought, it could be a time to buy. For enhanced visibility, you can just come and add the 70 and 30 levels here. Okay, yeah, you can add the 70 and 30 levels here. All right, so we can see that even before it got to 70, it already changed to red, giving you the signal. When that red appears, it's already giving you overbought signal, right? So when it changes back to gray, you can look for sell opportunities to execute. On the other hand, when the color changes to green, it's already giving you oversold signal. So when it changes back to gray, then you can look for opportunity to buy, especially when it's crossing above the 30. All right, just like you can see what happened here, and it went all the way up here. It changed red and changed back to gray, and then just moved around this zone, entered red again, changed back to gray. At this case, it crossed above 70. This one did not cross above 70, but this one crossed above 70. So this would have been a better place to sell, to exit our buy trade. But I'm going to recommend trading in the direction of the trend. Okay, if you are going to sell here, you would have considered exiting when the indicator entered the oversold territory. Okay, so it's super easy to use. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications and like this video if you got any value from it. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.